Today, we are diving straight into the aromatic world of vegetable biryani, a classic Indian dish. Start with 2 cups of basmati rice, washed and soaked. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan, add 2 finely chopped onions, saute until golden. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, followed by 2 chopped tomatoes. Let the magic unfold as you sprinkle 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. Now introduce a colorful medley of vegetables: carrots, beans, peas, and cauliflower, about a cup each. Stir well, add the soaked rice, 4 cups of water, salt to taste, and simmer away. As the rice cooks, garnish with fried onions, mint, and coriander. Savor the fragrant vegetable biryani with a side of raita or just as is. Remember, the secret to an amazing biryani is patience. Let the flavors mingle and dance together. And there you have it, a feast fit for a king in the comfort of your kitchen. Bliss for life, bringing you the taste of India one shot at a time. Until next time, happy cooking.